Wondering what you can buy in Peachtree City, Georgia at your price point? We're going to show you 5 homes at 5 price points today. Stick with us.
Hi, I'm Matthew Dalke.
And I'm Karen Dalke. We have a top performing real estate team here south of Atlanta. Maybe you're watching us from another part of the country and a move to Georgia is in your future and you're wondering how far your dollar will go here. Maybe you're going to spend $400 up to $1 million. We're going to show you exactly what you can get in that price range.
You're going to love calling Peachtree City home with our 100+ miles of golf cart path, schools of excellence, proximity to Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. We've got a little bit of everything all here, so stay tuned.
Let's take a look at something priced right at $1 million. We're in the center of Peachtree City in Laurelbrook subdivision. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an unfinished basement. Let's go take a look. As you walk into the home, one of the first things you'll notice is the beautiful upgraded kitchen. The beautiful kitchen features a marble backsplash that matches the countertops. You have custom inset cabinetry, upgraded appliances including a Wolf range. It's a gas range, and you have an additional oven plus built-in microwave. You will love the Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator. In this neighborhood, they are smaller lots, but this home has a side yard with a fire pit, so even though these are a little bit smaller lots, you still do have that outside space. Wood flooring throughout the entire home. You have a double 2-car garage plus a bonus golf cart garage. What's surprising about this home is it also, if you go downstairs, we have a full unfinished basement. At this price point, you will notice that you get away from the builder grade features and you get more of a custom feel with the upgraded door handles and fixtures throughout. The owner's bath has custom tile work from the floor all the way to the ceiling with upgraded fixtures. One major benefit to this home is the bathroom seems to be handicap accessible. There are no thresholds getting in and out of the shower, which can be appealing. There's also custom woodwork in the owner's bathroom. We have just arrived at our second home in Smoke Rise Corners in the center of Peachtree City. This one is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and it is in the low 800s. Most of the homes in this neighborhood have sold in the high 700s, low 800s. So at that price point, you're getting a lot of space. This one is around 3,300 square feet. So as you can see, you're getting a bit more space than the previous home we showed you at around $1 million. So if you have a good real estate agent, we're going to know all those things and we're going to find you the perfect house. Let's take a look. This home has a 3-car garage and a bonus room over the garage. Walking into this home, you'll notice it is a courtyard style. So you have this nice spacious courtyard area. You could do a pool or a patio or a covered area for entertaining. Walking into the kitchen, you'll notice all the open space, plenty of room for cooking and entertaining in here, inset cabinetry, large island, gas cooktop, microwave built in with an oven, white quartz countertops, tile backsplash, very custom looking. In the living room, you have the vaulted ceiling, wood beams, wood mantle, and shiplap detailing over the fireplace. Coming into the owner's suite, a nice spacious room with a door out to the courtyard area. Going into the owner's bathroom, we have floor to ceiling tile in the shower, double shower heads, double closets, and double vanities. Every girl's dream, double everything in this bathroom, makes it easy to get ready in the mornings. This home has wide plank white oak flooring throughout the main level, and as you walk into the laundry room, you'll see a really cool tile in here. Let's take a look upstairs. You'll notice that the stair treads do have the wood flooring as well. And as we get to the top, it is carpet upstairs. And although some people don't favor carpet in the bedrooms, that is a difference in the price point. At the $1 million level, we saw wood flooring throughout. but you are getting so many additional bedrooms and square footage in this home. I think it makes a big difference. Being in Peachtree City, you're going to want space for your golf cart. This one can certainly accommodate that. You actually have 3 full garage bays instead of just the 2-car plus the golf cart. So that's a great bonus to this neighborhood. All of the homes do feature a 3-car garage.
We've just arrived to our third house. This is in Everton Parkside, McIntosh School District. This is in the 700s, what you can buy. And this particular house is listed at $725,000. We've got 3 stories to check out. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's just under 3,400 square feet. It's 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. It was built by Pulte. You're gonna love the details. Let's check it out. This house, it has a really cool layout. You have 3 floors, but you have a bedroom on every single floor. So the first level, we have a full bedroom, full bath. You have a living room. You have a really cool mudroom area. And then you have a rear entry garage, which always looks nice from the front. Hardwood floors throughout the main living area. The second floor is your beautiful built-ins with fireplace. The kitchen has a gourmet package with upgraded cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances, huge island, so very open. It has a really cool, unique walkout balcony feature, 2 of them on the second floor. A laundry room. The primary suite has a lot of natural light. The primary bath has a huge shower, double vanities, nice size walk-in closet. So you're getting a lot of space in this house. And then the third floor, we have not only 2 full bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom, we also have a large living room area as well. So you actually have 3 living room areas in this house. And then you have a 3rd floor walkout balcony with really nice views. So all good things come in 3s. 3 balconies, 3 living rooms, and 3 floors. Unlike the other 2 neighborhoods we've shown, which are smaller, this is a larger neighborhood with a national builder. So you have some really nice amenities. You're gonna see tennis courts, pickleball, beautiful pools, several pools. We have just arrived to our 4th home. It's Oakdale Subdivision, Stars Mill High School, Braylon Elementary. So still excellent location in Peachtree City. So we're in the 500 to 600 range, and this house comes in just under $600,000. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's 2,600 square feet. It's on a really cool shaped lot, cul-de-sac and corner lot. As you can see, it's probably the largest lot we've seen today. So this home was built in 1990. And the next one's 1991. So we're showing you a few older homes as well. Peachtree City has really anything from the 1970s all the way up to new construction. Let's check it out. So this is a true ranch style home. As we walk in, it's very traditional. When we walk in, you'll see this big open living room with the fireplace, and then we go back and you see this formal dining room, so you have separate spaces, and then it walks into the kitchen area. So the kitchen is pretty large, granite countertops. You've got a nice little breakfast eat-in area. Of course, it's a ranch, so we have master on main. It's a really large master bedroom. You've got double vanities, soaking tub, separate shower, and this bedroom is opposite of the other 2 bedrooms, so your primary suite is secluded and quiet. Pretty good size walk-in closet. You have this really cool hallway with some of these built-ins that lead to a half bath and a large laundry room, and it walks out to this 3-car garage. We've only seen one other house that's a 3-car garage, and that's hard to find in Peachtree City. And then it opens back up into the living room, and then you have this really cool screened-in porch with the beautiful views of this garden, and this backyard is very private. Probably one of the coolest ones we've seen today, and it has more land and space than any other house we've shown. And then when we come back in, the other 2 bedrooms have their own full bathroom, and then we also have a full huge upstairs bonus area with a full bathroom. So no matter your price range, we're always going to find something that you really like, whether it's new construction or if you like the older charm, we can find that as well. We have just arrived to the 5th and final home. This is Prestwick Subdivision, Stars Mill Mill High School, so different school district, but still Peachtree City, still centrally located. This is an older neighborhood built in 1991 where you're going to see a lot of that in Peachtree City, where prior to this, we've showed you a lot more newer homes. This home is priced at $415,000. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and it's right around 2,100 square feet. Let's check it out. When you walk into this house, it is pretty open. It has really high vaulted ceilings. The kitchen has granite countertops. Pretty good sized kitchen for this price point. And when we walk out, we have this pretty good sized screened in porch, which is really nice, so you can enjoy that. So all of that is on the main with a 2-car garage as well. And then your master bedroom is also on the main floor, full bath, good sized walk-in closet. And then upstairs on the second floor, you have 2 full bedrooms and a full bathroom. So you have your 3 full bedrooms here. Plus, we have a really cool extra bonus feature, a semi-finished basement. In the basement, you have several rooms that are finished, and then you have like what looks to be a cool workout room and some unfinished storage. And when we walk outside, you have this extra feature with this covered porch, and the backyard has a really cool little fire pit, and it backs up to a creek. So overall, you have some pretty cool features and charm in this house, especially for the price point.
As you can see, at any price point, Peachtree City has some great options. And the Peachtree City community with the golf carts, the schools, everything you talked about, it's just a great buy.
That's right, Karen. And also, you forgot restaurants and golf. Don't forget golf.
Always golf.
Yes. So this was today just a little sample of what we have. And of course, inventory is always changing. That's why you need local experts like ourselves to be here, boots on the ground, constantly watching what's hitting the market, or maybe what's not on the market that we find out about. So at any price point, Dalke Home Group has you covered.
If you want to see more videos about real estate and life south of Atlanta, be sure to like and subscribe.
And make sure to let us know which house at all the price points was your favorite. And remember, every move counts.